you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine.
Excellent. My name's Teacher Richard. What's your name?
My name is Tteller.
Okay. How do you spell your name? Can you spell your name? All right. My name's Richard. R-I-C-H-A-R-D. Potter. P. U. Okay, good. Yeah, we can say double T. Okay. All right, Mr. Potter. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
11 years old. Okay. Do you have a brother or a sister? Do you have a brother? Do you have a sister? Or no? Yeah, right. Okay, so do you have a boy, a brother, or a sister? Okay, what's his name? What's your brother's name? So, Potter and... Tiger? Like Winnie the Pooh? You know Winnie the Pooh? Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Okay, alright, so you've got Mr. Potter and Mr. Tigger, yeah? Okay, and how old is Mr. Tigger? How old is Tigger? Alright, so Mr. Potter, 11. Mr. Tigger, 10. Alright, cool, very good, okay. What's your favourite colour?
My favorite color is orange.
Okay, yeah, so you can say, I like orange. Like that, I like orange, okay. What about animals? Which animal do you like?
I like birds.
You like birds, okay, right, okay. Do you have a bird at home? A dog? Do you have a dog at home? A cat? Right. Is your eye okay? Is the eye okay? Not okay? Alright, okay, so what do you do in your free time? In your free time, what do you like to do? Free time. Do you like to watch TV, play a game, read a book?
I like play game.
Yay, play a game, okay. What's your favourite game?
My favorite game is Roblox.
Roblox, okay. Do you like shooting games, or puzzles, or do you like grow a garden? No? 99 Nights in the Forest? No? Or yeah, shooting game. Okay, you like shooting games. Okay, all right. Okay, so you're doing Beehive 2. Let's look at some vocabulary. Okay, so Unit 3, wild animals. Okay. Number 1.
Lila.
Number 2.
Lila.
Okay, number 3.
Elephant.
Number 4.
Monkey.
Number 5.
Hippo.
Good. Number 6.
Dolphin.
Good. 7.
Tiger.
And number 8.
Penguin.
Okay. Can penguins fly? Can they fly or not? Can they or not? Penguin. You like birds, right? You said you like birds. Can penguins fly or not fly? Not fly, correct, yes, okay. Alright, let's have a look. Something to read. Page 38, the tiger and the tortoise. The tiger and the tortoise. Okay, can you read number 1?
Tiger.
Yeah.
The
Tortoise.
and the monkey are friends.
Yeah. I'm big.
And big can run.
I can run.
I can run
And But
I can
walk.
I can walk.
Yeah, okay, good. Number 2. Let's
Let
have
a
race.
race.
Ha! That's
Let
an
a go
idea.
idea.
Monkey.
Oh,
Oh dear, says the
Oh,
monkey.
dear.
Yeah, okay. Number 3.
the monkey had got an idea.
Okay.
Hello, what do tiger
Eat.
eat?
Yeah, okay. They eat
Eat
meat.
meat.
They
They
eat.
eat ice cream too.
Okay, alright. And last one, number 4. Here you are, tiger. Yeah.
Yummy. Hungry.
Yeah. So it's a race because the tortoise is slow and the tiger's fast. But look, the tiger's eating ice cream, then he falls asleep and the tortoise wins the race. Okay, so this is the last week of summer camp. Next week, you go back to school. Okay. Alright. What's the name of your school?
My name is Panula Sasi.
Okay, is it there? Over there? Anorak. Okay. Do you like school? Or not like? Okay, alright. What's your favourite subject at school? Yeah, like, do you like Thai, English, science, maths, PE, art, or music?
I like math.
You like maths, okay, alright. 5 plus 5 equals,
10.
okay. 3 times 3 equals, 3 times 3 equals,
9.
okay, very good, okay. What's your friend's name at school? Your best friend? Your favourite friend? Yeah. Is it a boy or a girl? Is it a boy or a girl?
Boy.
Did you say Pat? But she's there. That's Pat. Is she your friend? Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you very much. Finished. Okay.